Hey guys, what's up? JK with Elevated Recovery here. Are you ready to make 2018 the best year you've ever had? For a moment, I want you to imagine that you've just been given a large block of land and you've been given 10 million US dollars to build your dream house. Now, the first thing you would do would be to begin thinking about what it is you want on that dream block, right? How many bedrooms, how many levels, if you want to have a pool or a tennis court, and where all these things would go and so on. Now, your next step would be to hire an architect to help you plan your dream house. The architect would spend a lot of time with you upfront, helping you create the specifics of the house, and then of course would formalize the plan from start to completion. All successful projects start with a detailed plan. How detailed was your plan that you worked from in 2017? Could you improve on this? If there was a better way for you to learn how to plan, would you want to know about it? Now, next week, I'm hosting a training webinar for anyone struggling with a porn, sex, or masturbation addiction who is determined to make 2018 the best year that they have ever had. You'll learn how to finish the year before it starts and the 5 fundamental shifts that will guarantee 2018 will be the best year that you've ever had. Click on the link in the description to register. This 1-hour training webinar will teach you what you need to learn about how to create an amazing plan for your 2018 year. I'm going to share with you the story of how I went from chaos to control, from struggling to keep on top of things and out of balance to completely balanced and feeling really happy with life. From feeling really frustrated and dissatisfied and working on low-value stuff that didn't really help my recovery, to feeling motivated, relaxed, and working only on high-value activities, which had the most impact on my life and on my recovery. So you're going to discover in this webinar the #1 place that you should start when it comes to planning your recovery. You're also going to learn the 3 shifts that separate the top 5% of all men who successfully recover from their porn, sex, or masturbation addiction, and how you can implement this into your 2018 calendar year. I'll see you on the webinar. Sign up using the link in the description below.